Today, I am going to tell you all about my first job ever and why I hated it so much. I was only 16 years old. I was a teenager. It was a part-time job, not full-time. I only worked for around 20 hours a week. At the time, I was really excited because I was finally going to earn my own money. And also, it was my first taste of the working world. I did have some fun while I was working at Burger King, but looking back, it was an absolute nightmare. The first thing I want to tell you about is the fact that I had to cycle 25 minutes to go to work and cycle 25 minutes to return from work. In the summer, it was horrible. I live in Spain and it was really hot. As soon as I arrived to work, after riding my bike, I had to change into my working clothes. I was always sticky and sweaty and probably smelly. And in the winter, it was absolutely freezing. Sometimes I didn't feel like going, but I had to go. I didn't have a car, so the only way to get to work was on my bicycle. Sometimes I wouldn't arrive on time. And obviously, the manager got angry with me. He would tell me, "Kevin, you have to arrive 10 minutes earlier." I always came up with some excuse. Apart from the cycling, the pay was rubbish. I think I was earning for 20 hours around $500. I do have to say that at the age of 16, that seemed like decent money. However, even at that age, I felt like the effort wasn't worth the money. Something else that I hated was the fact that the kitchen was roasting. It was boiling. It was really hot. To be honest, during the summer, it was unbearable. We had fryers, grills, and ovens running all day long. Sometimes I felt like I was melting. I was always sweating, and it felt disgusting to attend customers in that state. Also, attending the customers was sometimes horrible. Some customers were lovely, but some customers were very rude. During the summer, there were enormous queues. The queue sometimes seemed endless. Some customers would complain if their order took too long. And the worst thing of all is that I would always be on the till, as I was really bad at making hamburgers. Something else that I hated about the job was unloading the delivery lorries. Despite the fact I was 16, it was still physically demanding. I had to carry very heavy boxes. The deliveries arrived early in the morning. Some of the boxes were extremely heavy. I would be unloading delivery lorries for around 3 hours. By the end, I was exhausted. There was something even worse than unloading delivery lorries. After unloading the lorry, we had to organise the freezer. We had to rotate the stock. The older products had to be placed at the front. And of course, the freezer was absolutely freezing. I had to put on a special coat, but even so, it was really cold. 1 minute I was standing next to the fryers, and then 1 minute later, I was in the freezing cold freezer. I hated it. I would actually sometimes feel ill. I had a temperature. Now I would like to explain my experience cleaning toilets. The worst experience about this job of them all. Nobody wanted to clean the toilets. Sometimes they were disgusting. We had to clean everything thoroughly and in detail. The manager would come and check. Something funny that I would like to explain about cleaning the toilets is that after a few months, I hated it so much that I would go into the toilets and just pour some bleach into the toilet. And then I would sit on the toilet seat for 15 minutes waiting to return to the till. Cleaning the toilets was definitely not my dream job. Something else that was horrible was when you had to do the closing shift. So the shift that ended at 12 o'clock at night. Burger King would close, but our work hadn't finished. We had to clean the entire restaurant. We also had to mop the floors. We had to clean the kitchen equipment. We had to take the rubbish out. Sometimes there were cockroaches. Disgusting. I dreaded working the closing shift. I would sometimes arrive home at 2 o'clock at night. And remember, I had to ride my bike in the dark at 2 o'clock in the morning at the age of 16. Apart from all the negative stuff, I did learn some valuable lessons. The experience helped me grow as a person. After working at Burger King for 2 years until the age of 18, I started studying more than ever. I realized that I needed to study to improve my job. If you ask me, would you ever work at Burger King again? My answer is no. Also, thinking about my days at Burger King really make me appreciate my life as a teacher right now. And probably, thanks to Burger King, I decided to study hard, do my degree, and become an English teacher.